beauts, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to share to you guys an unboxing of what I purchased from the most recent huge sale from Sephora. So I do have a lot of products in my wish list, and luckily a lot of them were part of the big sale, so I cannot say no, and just to make sure that I snatch them. Okay, so if you guys want to see what I have from my most recent Sephora haul, then let's get on it. Okay, so I'm going to start with palettes. So this one I've been eyeing for from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's the Nervina palettes. Yes, I bought 3 of them. All of them are on sale. So I have the 1, 2, and 3 from the Nervina collection. So this is the Nervina palette volume 1 and purple packaging, and it looks like this. Look how pretty the colors are. So mostly are purples, but there are a lot of other brighter colors as well. So mixture of shimmer and matte. And then next one is the volume 2. This is how it looks like. It has a big mirror as well. So those are the colors, very beautiful. I like the bright colors like yellow and the greens. A lot of blue colors as well. Okay, so this is the number 3, volume 3. So there you go, guys. So a lot of bright colors as well. And the thing with these palettes are, they are very pigmented. I love Anastasia's eyeshadow palettes. A lot of them I have. It's like part of my collection. And one of my favorite palettes, like the Soft Glam palette, Modern Renaissance, are from the same brand. So I know that I won't regret these palettes. Okay, next one is from Morphe. So this one is the 35M. So just like black packaging. They don't come in with mirror, but this one, guys, is only, I believe, 30 something, but on sale it's even cheaper, probably about $25. This one is Morphe 39S. So I don't know if I'll be keeping all of them, guys. I might give them away for a Christmas gift. Ooh, this one, I don't think I'll be giving this away, but look how pretty the colors are, like pinks and purples. They are so pretty, and I think this is like a pressed glitter over here, and this one probably. They are very pigmented, so for how much you only pay for this big or huge palettes, they are all worth it. And then another one from Morphe as well is the 39A. Here we go. Oh, okay, so I think I have this already. I've been using this on my previous looks, so this is how it looks like. But I know I love them, and all neutral shades, a lot of browns, so you guys, you can use this for every day. And then there are some nice colors like blues and greens, perfect for all seasons. Like fall, this will be beautiful, and then the reds will be like for Christmas season or holidays. So, and then the browns are mostly like for everyday for sure. So when you get this one, you'll be able to use a lot of them on different events and even for daily use. Okay, last but not the least for eyeshadow palette is this one from Huda Beauty. So pretty, guys. I've been eyeing for this one, but it is $85, guys. So I cannot think of buying it because it is quite a lot. I have like at least a few, like 3 of their eyeshadow palettes, and they are very pigmented and very creamy and really good. So I know that it will be worth it, but I just waited for a little bit. It's been on my wish list, and then luckily I did because they were part of sales. So this one is called Mercury Retrograde. So look at those colors, guys. I like the mixture of like a pastel color and all of those shimmer. I believe they are like a pressed pigment. So when you use your fingers to apply it on, it will be really, really shimmery or pigmented, or like a metallic kind of effect. So they are so, so pretty. I think this is my favorite product that I got from this sale. So I am very, very happy with my haul, just because with this one, it's all worth it. Oh, and by the way, this one went to, I believe, $55. So I saved like $30 from that sale. Okay, moving on is I'm going to do the complexion now. So I got a foundation from Tarte. This is the Rainforest of the Sea foundation. So this is a water foundation. So I like this one because it is more lightweight. So I think I'm going to use this for during winter. It looks like this, guys. It has a dropper. You just want to make sure that you shake it to make sure that you mix the pigment. So my shade is 29G Light Medium Golden. So another one from Tarte. This is actually one of my favorite. This is their Tarte Amazonian Clay Full Coverage Airbrush Foundation. This is actually my favorite powder foundation. I believe it has sunscreen. So it looks like this, guys. So it has like a nut, so you just remove that sticker, like that adding there. But this one is like full coverage. A little goes a long way and gives you like a nice natural skin finish and looks airbrush. It doesn't feel heavy at all on your skin, and the shade is light sand. And then another one from Tarte. All complexion are from Tarte. So I love Tarte brand because they are more natural and they are a clean brand. This one is their Clay Stick Foundation, medium sand. Looks like this, guys. So this one is medium to full coverage. It's also lightweight on your skin, and like I said, their ingredients are more natural. And then this one is a restock for me. I saw that it's on sale, so I know I just have to buy it just so I have a next one ready for me. So this one is from It Cosmetics. It's called the Bye Bye Breakout. It's a full coverage concealer made especially for targeted areas where you have acne or breakouts. So this is part of my top beauty favorite on June or May, I believe. And my shade is medium. I think they launch more colors as well, and I love this one. Okay, next is from Sephora collection. You know, guys, that this brand is one of my favorite, and they got this on sale, I believe, for $20 or less. This is their Luminizing Palette. Okay, so it looks like this, guys. There are 6 different shades from lightest. I would say this is more for light to medium. For deeper skin tone, this might not work as great because their darkest color will be this one here. But this one is amazing, guys. I can say this is comparable to a higher end brand. It's not as shimmery or as pigmented as other high-end brands, but if you want like a natural glow for an everyday use, this one would be perfect for you. And then from Urban Decay, I got the Naked Skin Shape Shifter. So this one's I am going to use for my kit. That's why I bought 2. So I got the light to medium and medium to dark. So I'm just going to show you the light to medium. It's a cream and powder contour palette. So I'll show you guys. So it comes with mirror as well in the middle. So it looks like that when you open it. So this side here are the cream ones. So the contour, the highlighter, and then they have color corrector and a cream highlighter. So the highlighter is not as shimmery. It's just more for like a natural glow. And then the other side here has the 2 contour shades, and then the highlighting powder, and then highlighter shimmer. Okay, so I like this one for my kit because it will save me a lot of space. And this one, I believe, is $60 and it went 50% off. So I'm so happy with this purchase. Another one for my kit are this from Makeup Forever. These are the Pro Sculpting Brow Palette. So I do have the number 1 and number 2. So obviously the number 1 is for light to medium. So it is very compact. It comes with this brush. It has a spoolie and then the angled brush. This one is a clear brow gel, and then this one is a highlighter. And there's 3 different lighter shade brow powders. I believe this one also went 50% off. So the next products are from Milk Makeup. So this one is their Kush waterproof mascara. So it looks like this. It has bigger brush, but I've used their original one. It's been good, but I know that I want to try the waterproof because it keeps my lashes stiff and holding the curls better all throughout the day. So it looks like that. So I'm excited to try this one. And another one from Milk is this eye pigment. This one is in charcoal. So it's a highly pigmented eyeshadow. It's like a cream eyeshadow and a tube like that. I think this will be perfect for making a smoky eye even easier to build up that base and the pigment right away. Next are eyelashes. These are from Anastasia Beverly Hills. So this one is Georgina, and they went on sale for only $8 a pair. So I know that I need to get them, and you guys probably noticed that I love wearing falsies. So this is another one. I think I like this one the most. This one is called So Hollywood. So these are both more of like glam eyelash styles. So the last few items are all from Sephora collection. This highlighter brush in number 98. And this one is comparable to the Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighting brush. So it looks like this. It feels really soft, like the bristles are really nice. I'm excited to try this. I bought 2 of them, so one for myself and one for my kit. And then I have their Pro Expert Blending Sponge. So this one went on sale from, I believe, $18 to $8 or $9. Comes with a case, so it's perfect for traveling. And last but not the least, this is their hair product, and it's their texturizing spray. So I love texturizing spray because, as you guys can see, hair is pretty straight and limp and dull most of the time if I don't use any products. And I like the texturizing spray because this won't make my hair feel stiff like an actual hairspray, but it will just give a nice texture to my hair to give it volume and life back. And that's everything, guys. I hope you enjoy watching and seeing what I got from the sale. You can always put them on your wish list and see if they go on sale, because Sephora does have seasonal sale, especially this coming holiday. Before holiday like October or November, they would put stuff on sale or they will give you some discount codes. So watch out for those, guys. Again, guys, thank you for watching. I hope to see you on my next video. If you have any question or requests for my next videos, make sure to comment them down below. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and to make sure you are updated on what's going on my channel. Make sure you subscribe and follow me on Instagram because I always post on my story. So I'll see you guys next week. Take care and keep safe.